Hello tubers and welcome to the Piston Alignment Workshop. If you're just joining us for the first time, or if you like a quick recap, we've got this old Kawasaki in the workshop that we're trying to get running. The first episode we had an attempt of starting the old thing, but unfortunately we found out it suffered catastrophic engine failure. So over the past few episodes we've been rebuilding the engine, and now we're getting to the point where hopefully we can start it for the very first time in lots of years. So we've got a battery connected, going to have an external fuel tank to provide us with a little petrol, and still got a spark after the rebuild. So if you'd like to join us now for the first start, hopefully, of the Kawasaki ER250. Right, that was funny. Let's try it again. Both pipes, cool. Well, I told you this spike hadn't started in years, and it's proving so. So we've had a lot of pops and bangs and farts, but
and fires.
Small fires, yes, I must admit, but it's okay. We managed to contain them, but we're going to keep at it, and it will go. Honest, definitely.
Trust us, we're professionals.
Maybe. Try it, or this will be my last will and testament. First of all. Only bloody goes! And we're out of petrol. And there we have it. If you can hear me, after years of not running, we've finally got the old girl going. It's a bit loud because the silencers were cut off, so we're kind of holding them in place. But she does go. Right, before we kill ourselves for the views, please like and subscribe. Keep watching new content every week.
See you soon.
Over 5. See you again.